Hey, and welcome back to my channel. And today this is Vlogmas video number 2. In this video we are going to be decorating my Christmas tree right here. I actually put it up the day after Thanksgiving or the day, I'm not sure, so don't quote me on it. But we are going to do the best we can with what we have, because I still have to pick up other stuff. And basically there's some DIY stuff that's going to be put on the tree too. And also I don't know, like usually, I don't know if it's just me, but I literally decorate my tree as I go, so I don't really have a full plan of what my tree is supposed to look like. It's literally like, ooh, this will look good on there, oh, ooh, this will look good. I'm just gonna decorate what I have. I am gonna stop at Walmart, or I'm supposed to be going to San Antonio tomorrow, so I don't know if I'm gonna stop there, because like San Antonio have so much more than other things here where I stay. So basically I might just stop either in San Antonio, because I have to go to IKEA anyway to get my coffee table, because I'm gonna be doing some really cute decorations on there. Let me show you what I have so far. So if you have any ideas or what I should put on my tree next, please look in the comments, like slide into my comments, because a girl do not know. Like, only thing I know right now is that I'm gonna get some really cute, like more brown definition ornaments to go on my tree, because I couldn't find any brown ornaments. So I think I spilled the beans of my theme, of the theme. So I have this old Christmas star right here that I had like since I moved into my apartment. So I bought these right here, and honestly they were closed, but my daughter opened them yesterday and they're so cute to me. I feel like it goes with the theme I'm trying to go for, like a really cute brownish theme. So like this is cute, and I'm gonna add like a darker tint of brown on there. And these were only $9.98, and then they had like the little ones for like $2 or $3.98, I want to say. But as I go along, we're definitely gonna be adding more to this. So let's get started. And yes, today is a pajama day, just because my day has been going kind of crazy. Yeah, it's jingle jingle. Say jingle jingle. You're not gonna say jingle jingle?
But stop fixing.
You fixed it? Uh-oh. Sorry.
I mean, you put the shaker down her bowl.
Sorry. So yeah, today is pajama day. I'm honestly gonna wash her hair today. Ugh, she hates washing her hair. But that's not what the video is about. So let's get on to doing this video of me decorating. And let's go.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. Friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas.
So it's a bit of a problem right now. I actually have to go to Walmart right now, and I don't want to. It's just I have to get this video out, so it's like it just makes sense to get it done now. That whole thing wasn't gonna satisfy this tree. Like, it's a small tree, but it's not that small. So I kind of knew that one little thing wasn't going to work. So I'm actually going to go and buy another one. I think I honestly could have sworn I had two, but we probably threw it away because it had a shortage on there. My husband had to basically add something. Like, he had to rewire everything just so it could work for that year. And I think we probably just said forget it and threw it away. So let's go to Walmart and get some new lights. So we're in Walmart, and basically I wind up getting these LED white lights. Yes. I don't know. I'm still thinking, but y'all are clouding up my brain. So they have these for 100, which are $5.94, and then they have the ones that comes in 50, which is $3.98. So I wind up just getting these. So then they put these in there. These are kind of cute, but I don't know how I feel about them for the tree. These are so I don't know. Alright, let's go see what else we have. One thing about living in a small area, especially not living too far away from your husband's job, you bump into your husband's co-workers a lot. And basically I just bumped into my husband's co-worker, and he put me on the spot to basically take lunch to my husband, and that's what I'm doing right now. And we'll see if he'll be surprised or be like, WTF, like, what the fuck, Germany? That shit crazy. Me trying to drive and vlog is crazy. And eat. Let's see how excited he is. He literally said, outside where? What do you mean where I'm at? Huh? So we're back in action. Come, Ari, show them. So we bought the lights. Show them, you gotta show them the front. The front. So we bought the lights. We actually bought these, and of course you saw them in the store. But that's all we bought. I couldn't find any garland that I like and that I was gonna be happy with. So, and let's get started.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing.
We are going to put on the ornaments, and I got these from Walmart for 98 cents. So if you guys need any hooks, I know it's like common sense to get hooks when you buy ornaments, but to be honest, last year I did not buy any hooks when I needed to do the tree, so I had to actually run to Big Lots because at the time that was the closest store for hooks. And this year I was like, nope, not happening. And these, I can't lie, you can get 150 ornament hooks for 98 cents. You can't go wrong. Like, sometimes, you know, Walmart just be coming in clutch. So let's see if I can get my helpers to help me hook on these ornaments. Like, these are so cute because I just feel like it just fit my decor idea because just because, I don't know, brown was my, I just feel like brown is such a cute color. Like, I've never fell in love with brown as much as I did this year. I just love the color brown, like a cocoa color. Like, come on. So, now we gotta fill up this tree.
In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance.
That's it for this video. I still have some more decoration to do on this tree, but I'm basically just showing the down basic of decorating my tree. I have to order more bulbs. Like, I want to get like a couple of big bulbs, and I want those to be like a dark brown. And I'm still debating if I want to put garland or whatever. If y'all have any idea of what I should put on my tree to make it more Christmassy and ready for Christmas, don't hesitate to comment down below and what your ideas are, because I just love to get ideas. But this is the end of my video, and I hope you like, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Put it on charge. Okay, so like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't